Gentlemen, my YouTube channel was ended. Here it is what I go to Ayala Mas Legazpi since we have no classes yet because our teacher is sick. I stumbled upon the cosplay competition here in Ayala Mas Legazpi and I want to it's nice, huh?
Real. Okay.
So it is labeled Hobby Expo 2025.
Ang tanong ulit ko, ano ang isang item ng isang cosplayer na hindi niya mawawala sa kanyang team?
So I will take a video for it.
Una sa lahat, ang costume.
Hanpan! Kailangan niya, hanpan! Ano sa tingin nyo, guys? Oh, shit! Pero may nagkakosplay na oras ang sad to!
It is for my video and wow, what is this? Hello.
I mean, you're not quite controversial, not gonna lie.
This is for marketing for the anime or something like that. Here at Ayala Mas Legazpi. Beautiful. Alright. So here I am. I still have no idea what is happening. And also this is flowers for the Valentine's Day for the upcoming.
Thank you very much. Ayan.
Okay.
So, ilan naman yung cosplayers natin? Pabigay sa akin list, class list. Calling all cosplayers sa 4th floor, tambay na kayo sa 4th floor. 4th floor namin. Oh, one
Okay. Robots.
For the cosplay parade in 360 walk. Tapos sa cosplay parade lang is there are 6 cosplayers.
Okay, so yeah, for now they going to the 4th floor. So players will need to go to the 4th floor. So maybe I can take a watch. It is
Beijing May Sophia, ating
so that's all.
A few moments later.
So this is the possible performance or time zone for the upcoming cosplaying competition. So here what it is, and they started to prepare for the competition. So here they are, they're lining up, and it's noticeable, the Squid Game guy, the circle guy. And they're nearly starting to prepare the 360 runway for this.
A few moments later.
The cosplayers. Cute stuff. Maybe they started have a ramp here and maybe starting the event here at Ayala Mas Legazpi. They have a main event. Squid Game. And these are my classmates watching. So here it is. Okay.
Kindly go down. Ayan. Careful. Ayun ang shoes mo. Ang cute ng shoes mo.
But for me, I like the red one.
Very bright, very... Alright. Sorry ko na po, sir. Pag-liit ka ulit dito sa front. Not from number 2.
Hindi niya sa harap. In English, they will say line up the front.
Beijing, ano? Lizzie?
Easy.
Introducing number, lead number is?
Number 7.
Yung number 7. Anong twin
Very
is?
populated, but it's fine.
Steve.
Cosplay show up will start.
Jay, pasis na po.
Pasis na po.
Jay, pasis na po ng posters. Jay. Jay. Beijing Dre.
Great.
Dre. Nagkikipibling din si Dre.
Okay, assist na po ng mga cosplayer. Thank you.
Okay, pasis na po ng cosplayers. Thank you very much. Okay? Aba na tayo.
Nagbawa tayo sa
Okay. Ano mag-aasal yung actors? Give me that. Let's get ready for our cosplayers.
It's starting the cosplay competition. So everyone, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. So have a nice day.
Cosplayer number 1.
Hey, scope in Cordell. I like that. That was on my Minecraft. Oh my god. Hey, I like it. It's good, it's good. Good, good.
Cosplayer number 2, Icon.
Oh. Good, it's good. Murder in my mind.
Cosplayer number 3, Nick Gosser at Jonas Speaking.
What was that?
Cosplayer number 4, Seth as Gundam from Gundam.
Holy cow! Oh my god! my God!
Number 7, Yesha Osaraki from Sakamoto Days.
She might win.
Cosplayer number 8. Winner as Squid Game Card from Squid Game.
Woo! Squid Game!
That is all our cosplayers. Palakpakan po namin silang lahat. Para nahihirapan pa dito sa mga kanyang performance, di ba? Ito maganda na binibigyan natin ng time ang mga cosplayers mag-perform.
So it's all for
Give
now.
it a chance.
You won!
Ayos!
You won the 360 walk.
Sabi mo na ng gana.
Salamat na. Mabubusog na ako pag uli.
Nice!
Sabi ko pa hindi ma-claim. Ayan, picture muna. Ayan.
But 360 walk.
Ayan, thank you very much. Galing mo na yung number na yun.
Hawak ko pa yung number.
Baka maulit. Okay, ako naman hawak ng
Congratulations!
Okay, ang sunod natin ang winner sa ating ating gift card.
So this is Noel Rodriguez.
Contestant number 5.
Noel Rodriguez.
Number 5.
There she is.
Number 5. Sa cross mo.
And the one that
Dali, 360
is coached by Bamboo. Noel Rodriguez.
Ayan.
And her iconic voice. While this one, you won.
Ano masasabi mo na nanalo ka ng Rapo?
It's very good.
I want to say thank you to all the people who watch this. All of us watch and it's so great. It's so great.
Yan. Congratulations. Picture mo na tayo. Ayun.
She's gotten a lot taller. You won.
Okay, sunod natin ang premyo. Actually, merch ko to. Ako yung buo na naniwan ko. Mas kiri. Ayan. Sensyanan. Okay. Binibigay ako ng tatlong full set luche stickers. Full set luche.
3 sa Parade Cosplay.
Contestant number 3.
cosplay parade.
Ayan.
Cosplay parade.
Sino ka? Sino
Contestant
ka?
number 3. She won.
Cosplay parade. Asa dito, girl? Ayan. Ano ba? Sabi mo na nahulog. Thank you. Ayan. Ayun na. Congratulations.
Congratulations po.
Next.
Next.
Nakakulog. Nakakulog. Ayan. Ano siya?
Next number lang pala.
Next number lang pala. Contestant number 2 from the parade. Contestant number 2 from the parade.
Cosplay parade, contestant number 2.
Ayun si Bud. Ayun siya. Sige. Tupalo mo na lang.
Ipano?
Sige, si Bakla. Next.
Thank you everyone for watching. So at least on this main event, I've met her again, Noel Rodriguez. So please subscribe to her YouTube channel, Noel Rodriguez, and also please watch her video performance on The Voice, especially on the bamboo side. And also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Showstar, and this is my closure. And have a nice day for my next upcoming videos, and please watch the STI Student Week. See you tomorrow, or the next video. Goodbye!
Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it.